This property is a 4-bedroom, 2 full baths, and 1/2 bath home. The list price has recently been reduced to $389,950. Interior features of this property include walk-in closets, recently upgraded or renovated flooring, a gas fireplace, recently upgraded kitchen appliances, a microwave oven, an in-sink disposal, a formal dining room, a great room, an eat-in kitchen, a washer and dryer, central air conditioning, a Whirlpool tub, a heat pump, crown molding, his and her closets, and energy-efficient windows. The property is cable-ready. On the outside, this property features an attached 2-car garage, a view of the woods, a patio, porch, or deck, a deck, vinyl siding, and a cul-de-sac location. Community amenities include a historically high-demand residential location, an active property owners association, close-by public parks, and close proximity to shopping and dining. The approximate square footage is 2,056 square feet. This property is represented by
Tony Proto, Associate Broker with Long & Foster Real Estate.